Hello friends, we'll be discussing the concept of total revenue now. Now, as you know that revenue has been categorized into three categories. The first of being total revenue, second being average, and the third one being marginal revenue. Now, the concept that we are discussing here refers to total revenue. What exactly total revenue is something that we'll be understanding right now. It's a very small concept for you to understand, so it will just take few minutes of your time. Now, total revenue is the amount of receipt from the sale of the output. That's the basic thing that we've already known. Now, the total revenue depends on the total sale of the firm and the price of per unit of output. This total revenue can be determined using the total revenue, or rather the total sale a firm has done, and the price per unit. For example, 10,000 units have been sold and per unit costed around 10 rupees. So the total unit, or rather total revenue here, will be 10,000 multiplied by 10. That will give you an amount of 1 lakh rupees. So the total revenue will be 1 lakh rupees. This is how the exact calculation is done. Now, total revenue is equal to quantity into price. That's the formula, where TR is the total revenue, Q is the quantity of sale, or rather unit of sale, P is the price of commodity per unit. Now, this is the basic concept that you have to learn, or rather this is a very small concept, and that's it for the video that we have when it comes to total revenue.